most haunting sounds from the universe, created from real space signals detected by NASA. At number 3, when the Cassini spacecraft captured radio waves emitting from the poles of Saturn, it picked up high-pitched shrieks straight out of a horror movie. Number 2. As solar winds crash into Jupiter's massive magnetic shield, they create a terrifying metallic roar. And at number 1, NASA transformed pressure waves rippling through the hot gas around the Perseus Black Hole into sound.